Hi, my name is Hasna. I'm 34 years old and I have been studying laboratory sciences for 2 years at Hansik College. My field of study is biotechnology. Biotechnology covers a broad range of scientific activities used in many sectors, such as food, health, and agriculture. It involves the use of living organisms or parts of living organisms to provide new methods of production and the making of new products. But by doing this job, I often work with protocols in English and communicate with people who speak only English. That's why I have to practice my English. So today I will show you how the website Virtual Writing Tutor will help you to solve some problem in English. First, for example, the option field related or check vocabulary. You can use this option when you are reading an article about a subject and you want to know what are the fields related to this article. So you have to copy your text. We will copy your text. Control C. We paste it here in the text area. Control V. And we click on check vocabulary. So a small window appears. We click on field related vocabulary and we have to choose show 3 fields of study. You can choose show best field of study or show 10 fields of study. We click on check and the answers will appear and you will have just to scroll down. Okay. The other useful feature of this website is the integrated dictionary. The button is in the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click on it, a small window will appear. And you can type your word. For example, biotechnology. You have to click on look it up and the new tab will be opened. We are now on the Cambridge Dictionary site. Cambridge Dictionary site. We copy this definition. We have here a definition. We will copy it because we need it later. Control C. Finally, a very useful feature can be used in this website. It's the text to speech. Here, for example, we will paste the definition copied before. Control V. In the text area, and we click on the button here, text to speech. We will be able to hear the correct pronunciation of the text. So let's try it. Click on Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Have a nice day.